Hey everyone, I am just showing you today how I make my refrigerator pickles. So come along with me. Hey, good morning. I am actually getting some pickles ready to make refrigerator pickles, which I had a friend that gave me a recipe quite a few years ago, and I used to make a lot of them. Like every weekend I made some because I actually sold them. So I like to make them if I have pickles, and I do just have about enough for like a 7-cup sliced pickles. So I will be making a batch today, which that's probably about the amount we could eat till they go bad in the fridge. I actually washed and peeled them before. I did not show that I washed them before, but I usually wash them because they have those stingers on. And I'm just preparing those to make refrigerator pickles. Usually I don't peel them for like canning pickles, but for the refrigerator pickles I don't can them, so I like to use the bigger ones and peel them, which I didn't have quite enough of the bigger ones, so I decided I'll just use the smaller ones as well. Now someone is making popcorn, so you hear popping. This is a cutter my husband got me for Christmas, and this is the first time I actually used it. But it's a very sharp object, so if you use it for something like this, you have to be very careful with it. That's why I leave the ends on there, so I could just, when I get down to the end of it, I just throw it away because I don't want to cut myself. They do have the things with it that you could use, but I think it would be pretty hard to slice cucumbers with it because it's not the right fit for, it's like for potatoes and stuff. This is the last one I have peeled, and I have a few more if I need them, but I'm assuming that might actually be enough for the full batch. It takes like 7 cups. I have the onion. It takes 1 cup, but there was a little more than 7 cups, so I don't mind having a little extra. I'm very cautious about this because it's getting too close to my finger. I guess it's time to use this one. Now I have to figure it out first. Well, I guess that's all in there. I really don't want to cut myself because this is a very sharp object. Maybe I could start with this. They are playing cards, so you have background noise. It's nothing serious going on. And I think I'm going to try to cut the peppers as well. See if that will work. Yep, they're making more popcorn. For some reason, they want a snack right now, and they are having popcorn. Those are all from my own garden, so we have a variety of goodies right now. I will need some hot pepper or celery seed, vinegar, and sugar. I think a little salt is all it needs to be in here to make the refrigerator pickles after the vegetables are cut up. I just can't go fast with this one. I think actually that one pepper was enough. Hey, who's screaming? They asked for 1 cup of peppers, but it's a little more because, and there's a little more onion. I don't mind having pickled onions because they are so delicious. You're actually in my way. Sorry. So yeah, this is the way it looks. And I will get my things ready to put in there. I will probably just make like 1 batch of those. It was a little more, but since I used this sugar, this is like a natural cane sugar. It's kind of brownish. I use it as a white sugar, but I never put as much in, so it will work just fine for the amount I have here. They asked for 2 cups, and there's a little more pickles and stuff. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of vinegar. No, 1 cup of vinegar. Better not overdo that. Maybe a little more because there's a little more. The pickles make their own juice, so it just takes a little bit. I need salt. One tablespoon salt. I actually store my salt in this box on the stove top. Whoops! I actually poured it in the wrong one, but I guess that'll work. And 1 teaspoon celery seed. I have to heat it up to melt the sugar before I pour it in there. But the salt is definitely going to be okay in there. Whoops. I just got those celery seeds last week, so I am happy that I have them. I got this cooled down a little bit. Now I'm just pouring it over everything. I like to get all the seeds that I could because they tend to stick on the side. And I will stir this up. They will actually eventually make their own juice, but I will keep stirring them up off and on. And there's someone in the house that almost can't wait till they're done. Which is, I definitely will eat some, but my daughter is the one that is asking for those, because she loves them. It does not take a lot of liquids, and I will just cover it up, put it in the fridge till they're ready. Maybe tonight we'll eat some, and then we could eat it afterwards as we wanted. Thanks everyone for following me.